Hi, this is Jenna with Jenna Health. My little short tips for today involve talking about cellulite. Ooh, that's a scary word, isn't it? And hair loss. Okay, and my tips are they're short and they're easy. Okay, what we want to do for cellulite is you get a brush. Like the kind of brush that you use to scrub your body with in the shower, but you want to keep it dry. You don't want to get it wet. You don't want to take it in the shower with you. And what you're going to do every time before you get in the shower is you're going to take this brush and you are going to brush your body with it, especially those areas with cellulite. And take your time and do it really good. Get that blood flowing, because what you're doing is you are moving that lymphatic fluid, and you're going to help detox your body, your lymphatic. All of that is going to detox, and it's going to loosen up that fat, and it's going to help to firm up those areas that you're having the problems with. So dry skin brushing is wonderful. You can do it, start at your ankles and kind of go all the way up. And you can just really focus on those areas, the thighs and things that women that typically deal with. Of course, you can't beat squats too for cellulite. That really helps with cellulite, so I recommend doing some squats. But on the hair thing now, okay, how many women run into an issue where they look in the shower and like, oh, holy cow, my drain's going to get clogged up with this much hair. How many times has this happened? You go through a stressful period of time, you start losing some hair. Maybe you weren't going through a stressful time and you're just losing some hair, and you don't know what's going on. Well, one thing that is a good thing to do to stimulate the scalp and to really get those follicles producing hair again and getting them healthy is to use castor oil. And you're thinking, castor oil? That's strange. It sounds strange and it sounds a little messy, and yeah, it is a little messy. So I recommend maybe sleeping in a shower cap when you do it. So this is what I do. When I've noticed that I'm having a little hair loss issue, which sometimes happens, it happens to us all. Back when my health was so bad, it was a real issue for me. I learned that I could use that castor oil, and I would start seeing new hair growth really quickly. So what you want to do is you want to take some castor oil, and I did it with clean hair. I guess you can do it when your hair is dirty. I don't know, but I would rub it into the scalp. Try not to get it, all over your hair, though it won't probably hurt you, but it might be a little difficult to wash out. But you want to get it on the scalp in those areas that are thinning, which typically is right here in the front, for women. And you want to massage that really, really well into your scalp. You can even warm the oil a little bit before you do it, and just really get that in there to absorb into your scalp. Maybe put some type of shower cap or something on your head, and so that you don't get the castor oil all over your bed. And just see how that works out for you. I would do it at least 3 or 4 weeks and kind of see how you do. I would say 3 times a week. Is about what I do when I'm going through a period. What happens sometimes, like if your health is bad, or like for instance, even if your health is not bad, and you seem to feel pretty healthy, sometimes people still experience hair loss. And it could be something as simple as your body has turned off something with the hair growth, and it's like a shedding. You know how you see dogs sometimes shed? Well, it's kind of like that, because something's going on in the body. Maybe you just had like some kind of stomach flu or something, and then all of a sudden a week or 2 later your hair's falling out. You're like, what is going on? Well, that's kind of sometimes what happens. So don't panic thinking that you're just going to go completely bald, because usually that doesn't happen. Now, in the situation where you have something like polycystic ovarian syndrome, there are things you can do with diet changes are very, very important with that condition. So you want to go low carb. I recommend a paleo diet, and just don't eat a whole lot of fruits on that. Limit your starches and things, but you want to go with a lower carb diet so that you can kind of get that under control and those blood sugars. But those are my tips for today for cellulite and for hair loss, and those are some concerns that women have. So I hope that I've helped. Thank you so much.